Well, I sent you and Teddy to do the announcement, and he runs out of the theater crying.
Boo-hoo-hoo.
So what happened?
With what?
Where's Teddy Bear?
I don't know who you're talking about.
Chuck. Where's Teddy Bear?
I don't know.
Did you do something?
No, man, no.
What did you do?
Nothing, man.
Then why did he leave?
How should I know?
Are you lying to me?
No.
You telling the truth, Chuck?
Yeah.
What'd you do to Teddy?
Nothing, man.
You have any idea where he is?
Afghanistan. Said something about joining the Al-Qaeda network.
Chuck,
He's 20 miles south of Kandahar.
where is he?
I don't know, man.
You better be telling the truth.
I am.
Okay. What?
Nothing.
You making faces?
No, man.
All right. Because what I...
What, man? You paranoid? Hey, Dave, that he says you're paranoid.
Shut up.